Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open your Apple ID purchase history to find the exact Apple Music charge. Sign in with the Apple ID that made the purchase. Look for the transaction date, subscription name, and billed amount. Confirm the device and payment method listed next to that charge. Note whether this was a subscription renewal or one-time in-app purchase. Keep the receipt, email, or screenshot ready. This information speeds up the refund request and avoids delays from missing details. Open the Report a Problem website and sign in with the Apple ID that paid for Apple Music. Locate the Apple Music transaction in the list of recent purchases. Tap or click the Report a Problem button next to the charge. Choose the problem type that best describes your issue and write a clear refund reason. Include dates, device names, and any screenshots you have. Submit the request and note the confirmation number for future reference and follow up. If the Report a Problem request fails, open the Apple Support app or visit support to start chat. Choose Billing and Subscriptions, then Apple Music, and explain your prior Report a Problem submission. Ask the agent to escalate if needed and provide the confirmation number. If Apple approves the refund, you will receive a confirmation email. Bank or card posting time varies, so expect up to several business days. Cancel the Apple Music subscription immediately to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.